Hi everyone. I just came from a workout. So you can see, just got back home and I just decided to turn on the live and stop procrastinating because I've actually been wanting to go live since Monday. Hey, this is the first live of the new year. Happy New Year if you're watching. Don't have anybody who's joined me yet, but the purpose of this live, and I wanted to go live on YouTube, but YouTube is not letting me go live through my phone. So I'm just going to upload this to YouTube once I'm done. I said no more procrastinating it. I need to go live. I need to check in with my peeps. I need to show them what's up and give some updates. So let me start with that. Updating Money Mondays. Oh, it just sent out a notification that I'm live. So let me see. Am I gonna get some people to join? Y'all see my lights? I put some lights up in my new place. Last year, if y'all didn't know, because I don't know if I shared, but last year was actually a freaking awesome year for me personally. I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot of triumphs. I do think I contracted COVID, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, last year was awesome for me. I got a new place, I had a new car, and I just grew a lot. Like I had a lot of experiences last year, I would say. A lot of things happened to me. I got a settlement, you know. So I expect 2021 to be even better. But let's get into some updating and stuff. So Money Mondays will be will be resuming here shortly. We will have our first episode, if everything goes well, on the 25th of January. So closing out January, we will have our first, well, not our first, but our first official live. So here's another thing. I'm changing the structure of Money Mondays because I want it to be something that I can definitely keep up with. I have a lot of things that I'm trying to put my hands in, so my time is kind of spread out, and I want to make sure that I have the time to do as much research, to invite as much people as possible to Money Mondays. So I'm changing the structure up a little bit so that I can be more consistent. You know that we are our own worst critics, and the inconsistency and just feeling like I don't know what else to talk about because I'm not true to this financial game. I'm new to this financial game just like you guys. I'm 25 years old and I was starting to learn how to get, up there with my finances in terms of practices and fixing and doing better with my finances. But I was like, this information is not out here enough. I want to create a platform where I can put out all the things that I've learned, all the people that I've come in contact with, whether it's through social media or in person, that are doing great things out here, who are teaching people. And I want to put all of those things together and put that information out for everybody to have access to. You guys should know this at this point. So that's what the whole purpose of this channel is. It's for children, for people my age, for people older, because everybody at some point, not everybody starts off knowing exactly what to do, So learn with me as I grow and evolve. Basically, we will have a live show every other week, and what I'm planning on doing is those in between weeks where I don't have a live show, I will also upload a short video. Okay, so it will technically, I will be uploading weekly still, but just the structure of it as a whole is going to change. Okay, so just stick with me, bear with me as I try to figure everything out. This is a growing channel. Continue to support. Please subscribe, please share, please like on Facebook and things like that. But how are you guys doing? Did you guys get your stimulus check yet? Please let me know. Do I have anybody in this live? Please let me know. Have you guys gotten your stimulus check? If so, what did you guys do with it? Because I remember in my last video, I was asking what are everybody's plans for the next stimulus. Mine, although I wanted to invest it in the Forex market, mine went straight to bills. So the next one will definitely be set aside to invest. You guys, I am still trading Forex, and today was a beautiful day for me. Look, if you can see. Oh, wrong side. Here we go. That is just today, $24,240.32. Here's all the trades that I took today. And this is only today from this morning. I think I started trading at like 9 o'clock in the morning this morning. So you see, it's a lot. Your girl has been busy. Your girl has been dipping and diving into everything. I am also working on a new certificate. So that's why I've been a little bit quiet. I'm working on obtaining another certificate. Also working on some new businesses. I'm also working on a completely different YouTube channel. So stay on the lookout for that. I will be uploading on there soon. And of course, you know, I have a home life. I have a child I need to take care of. Man, I need to take care of myself. I need to take care of. So it's just been a lot. So I've been doing the Forex. I told you guys I'm working on a new YouTube channel. I'm working on a new certificate. Also, continue going with my real estate. I have a few deals pending now. So I've kind of been a little bit all over the place, but I am organizing myself. That was a confirmation for Money Mondays that just came in. I have been working on organizing myself, putting everything together. So, like I said, just bear with your girl. You know, I'm figuring everything out. It's only me. I don't have a team or anything like that. But yeah, I'm here. And I've also been feeling a little discouraged too, if I could keep it real and honest with you. I've been feeling a little bit discouraged because I've been seeing, has it ever happened to you where you have a thought or an idea and you start working on it and then all of a sudden you see your thought or idea being produced elsewhere, that you're like, whoa, wait, what? Like, where you get that from? Because that definitely was mine. That was my idea. What are you doing? Yeah, but I'm like, you know what? Imitation is the best form of flattery. And if they ain't flattering you, but they still talking about you, that means you're doing something right. So, had to give myself a little mental health self-talk, pep talk, and just be like, you know what? Claim your kitchen. Something that I have been seeing all over the internet, and I've also, even my own mother spoke to this, right? Excuse me. I was hanging out at my mom's house, and she was feeling a little down because she was like, you know, I don't want to work anymore. I'm over 50. I don't want to work anymore. And my mom is a hardworking person. Like, she was the main person that I looked up to for her work ethic growing up, because she just did what she had to do no matter what, okay? And everything always worked out at the end of the day, right? So now she's telling me that she doesn't want to work, But she's feeling discouraged because everybody's saying that you have to own a business in order to obtain financial freedom. And that is not the case. And if someone is ever taking that context out of my videos, I want to tell you that that is not the case at all. Nobody is telling you that there's one specific way for you to achieve financial freedom, right? Owning a business is hard and it's not for everyone. I can totally agree with that. It's not for everyone and it's hard work. But the thing about it is, it's harder at the beginning and it gets easier towards the end. Why? Because at the beginning, you're the one who's putting all the sweat equity in. But once it grows, then you start getting a team, you start getting employees and things like that, and then it gets easier for you to handle, right? However, working gives you that satisfaction that you need, that paycheck every month. But it's what you do with that paycheck that will set you apart from everyone else. If you're looking for ways to invest, if you're going to keep your job and use your job to not only finance you, but finance your business as well. Like there's numbers of ways to get out and achieve financial freedom out here. It's not one specific way. It's not one formula, because what works for you may not work for the next person and vice versa. So don't get discouraged and don't think that you have to quit your job and start a business, because that's not feasible for anyone. Like if you actually watch my videos, I made a video where I said that I did quit my job to go into real estate as an agent, and I can attest that it was the worst thing I could have done. But that was because I didn't ask. That was lack of education. Like I didn't know. I didn't really have a person to sit me down and be like, honey, yes, you can make money in this, but that's not the way to do it. Until now. Now I'm meeting those people. Now that I'm on that same wavelength, now I'm meeting those people that would be like, oh no, don't do that. Have something on the side. I totally know that. I totally understand out here in this, especially the time that we're in now, there's no way people are just going to quit their jobs and start a business and tomorrow it's going to be $1 million business. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But the goal for me, at least, I don't know what everybody else's goal is. The goal for me is complete and total autonomy over my life and freedom. I want to be able to travel when I want. I want to wake up when I want. I want to do what I want when I want and how I want to do it, you know? But that's just me. And I've always been that way. Like my family will tell you, I've never been someone who likes to be told what to do, because I've always been a know-it-all. And sometimes it doesn't work in my favor, but that's just me, you know? So, stick on this journey with me. We're going to attain financial freedom together. And speak it over your life. Whatever you have power in your tongue and the words that you speak. So whatever you're saying and whatever you are believing, that is what's going to come true in your life. I have manifested a great deal of things into my life, and I'm sitting in one of my manifestations right now. But the thing about manifesting is, like, it's the same thing with owning your own business. You may want it to happen like this, but it doesn't. It takes time. It takes time. I remember as a young woman just graduating high school, and I was telling my mom, like, oh, I can't deal with you no more. I'm gonna get my own place. And I thought it was gonna be so easy. And how old was I? At 18, and I haven't gotten my own place until how many years? 7 years later. So it is what it is. But as long as you're continuing to strive every day and go after your goals, learn, do research, network with other people, see what you can learn from other people, you will attain everything and anything that you want to. Okay? There's no one cookie cutter way out here to make it or to survive. But there is a specific way for you. All you have to do is find it. You want to find it? Pray, meditate, go within. That's the best advice that I can give you. That is a client of mine texting me. Like I told you guys, I've been a little busy. I'm seeing that we're gonna have, okay, sorry, jumping all over the place, but this just popped in my mind. The Capitol, whatever happened at the Capitol building, you guys, what was that? What was that? And then they talk about peaceful protest. People died. Innocent people died because of your protesting. But yet, at the Black Lives Matters rally, people were getting arrested for actually peacefully protesting. Like, this is just insane. Insane. What is it going to take for the world to change? Like, honestly, that's where I'm at. I pray every night and I'm just like, God, what can I do? What can I do to change this? Because this is just crazy. Everything that's happening with Trump wanting to be impeached not wanting to be impeached, but the people wanting to impeach Trump so he doesn't run again. And this is crazy. And I want you guys to know something too. Stop paying so much attention to what's going on. Stop. It's important to know what's going on, absolutely, because it affects each and every one of us. However, turn off the news at some point. Like, give it a rest, give it a break. And I don't want to sound like a conspiracy theorist, but sometimes the things on the news are not full truths. Sometimes the things on the news are what they want you to know. Okay? So you're sitting here and they're eliciting all these negative emotions out of you. You're listening to these things and you're feeling sad and you're feeling stuck and you're feeling depressed. Like, stop giving it so much attention. If you just focus on bettering yourself instead of focusing on the news or what's going on, we probably will be much better off. And I'm not even being hypocritical about that. If I could turn around this camera right now and show you my TV, I don't have a cable box. I just actually cut off my cable and I'm japing off my mom to save money. I'm not ashamed to say that because I'm like, I barely even watch this crap. Not even my son watches. He'd rather go on YouTube and Netflix and watch and all that other stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I'm cutting that out. I'm cutting XYZ out. There's a lot of things that I've just stopped doing, stopped buying. I'm not playing anymore. 2021 is the year that all my hard work is going to pay off, okay? So, yes. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get off the live now. I've been ranting and rambling enough. I will see you guys live officially on the 25th with our first guest. I am not going to announce the guest yet, but I will be announcing it soon. And yeah, stay on the lookout for the other projects that I have coming out. And I will see you guys on the Monday. Bye. Thank you for watching.